Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and up-to-date GPU drivers. This prevents permission and compatibility errors. Next, install the Resolution Changer app and run it as administrator so changes apply system-wide. Once done, back up your current display settings and record the resolution and refresh rate. This gives you a safe restore point. Make sure to close other apps that lock display resources, because that reduces conflicts and makes the first configuration immediate and now you configure the new resolution inside the app. Pick the correct display and either a predefined or custom profile, because choosing the wrong screen wastes time. Then set width by height, refresh rate, and scaling. Use preview to verify UI elements fit and text remains readable. Once satisfied, save the profile with a clear name and assign a hotkey if supported so you can switch quickly. Remember to test in windowed and full screen modes, since games and apps behave differently with custom modes. Finally, apply the new profile and test with your normal apps and games for several minutes to confirm stability and visual clarity. If the display is distorted or system performance drops, revert immediately using your backup profile. This prevents persistent issues. If problems persist, update GPU drivers, try disabling Windows scaling, or boot into safe mode to remove conflicting software. One key troubleshooting tip: if you lose signal, wait 15 seconds for automatic revert or use the hotkey to restore the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.